You can order the power steering pump reservoir used in the video on the CarParts.com website via the link in the description. Turn your engine off. Set the parking brake. Pull on the hood release handle and open the hood. You can see the power steering fluid reservoir to the left of the engine compartment. Open the filler plug. Then, using a pump or syringe, remove all the used fluid from the reservoir. Place a fluid container under the reservoir to catch any power steering fluid that may flow out. You can see the return line hose at the bottom of the reservoir. Using a flathead screwdriver, remove the metal clamp of the return line hose on the power steering reservoir. Then remove the return line from the reservoir. Using pliers, remove the metal clamp of the hose on the power steering pump. Then remove the hose from the power steering pump by jiggling it back and forth with pliers. You can now remove the power steering fluid reservoir. You can order the power steering pump reservoir used in the video on the CarParts.com website via the link in the description. Take the new reservoir. Then slide it into its support. In our case, we took advantage of the operation to replace the steering pump hose with a new one. Pre-install the hose clamp. Insert the hose into the reservoir. Then put the hose clamp back in place. Hey, it's Alex from CarParts.com. If you enjoy this video and want to support us, like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, back to work. Perform the same operation on the pump side. Reconnect the return line. Insert the hose into the reservoir. Then screw the hose clamp back on. When you change your power steering reservoir, air will enter your steering system. Therefore, you need to reboot and bleed it. To do this, we recommend watching our video, How to Bleed the Power Steering Fluid Honda Accord. Operation complete.